I'm Morgan, and today we're going to go through the 4-H at Home Flower Dissection Kit. Included in this kit is your instructions packet, which includes great visual diagrams to help when dissecting your flower, as well as your flower dissection lab and a small magnifying glass. You will need to provide flowers for dissecting, as well as tape to help attach the parts of your flower to your lab. Here I've gathered everything I need to dissect my flowers. I've gathered a variety of different flowers. And something that your packet does very well is it explains how some flowers have male parts, some have female parts, and some have male and female parts. So something exciting that you get to do is as you dissect, you can kind of discover the different parts of the flower, where you find them, what they look like under a magnifying glass. Just get ready and have fun, and make sure if needed that you have adult supervision when dissecting your flowers and using tools to help cut them and find the parts. Alright, here you can see some of the parts that I dissected from my flowers. They're from different types of flowers, so it might not look exactly like yours. I also left some parts on the flower. For example, the styles underneath, everything here. But I thought that or the ovary here, I left them in big chunks so it's easier for you to see. But as you dissect yours, it would be cool to look under the magnifying glass at the different parts of the flowers. And you can look at the same parts of the flower on different type of flowers, if that makes sense. Looking at how these anthers look different among different types of flowers. So it was really fun to dissect my flower. I hope you have fun dissecting your flowers and sharing it with your family and friends, and telling them the things that you've learned.